take a look at the squeegee that I was given so I could give you guys a fair and honest review. I was really impressed with the overall quality of it and just how easy it was to be able to quickly clean my shower.
So here it is up close from Dance Moon. It is all one piece, it feels like, and it is really, really soft rubber material. And you can see it has a nice thin edge right there. And at the same time, it is really flexible. So as someone that has a glass shower, this is going to be amazing to be able to have. But what I absolutely love about it is that edge right there, so it hangs. So many different types of showers. This is something that you don't have to get an extra hook for. You don't have to hang this in a special place in your shower. This is fantastic exactly how it is. So it can hang on the handle of your shower. It can go over the top of your shower. There are so many different places. I just love that this is something that's going to be so quick and easy to be able to get in and out of the shower and keep it clean. And I don't have to clean it as often when you have one of these.
I took a nice, relaxing, very hot shower so that I could show you guys just how foggy my glass shower gets. And it's really important to be able to get this fog off of the glass so that it doesn't leave those water stains behind. Look how sharp and crisp those edges are. You can see that it is seriously cutting through all of that humidity, all of that moisture, and being able to get it right off the glass so that it does not stick to it and doesn't create those water stains that you're going to have to go back and clean. Those also build up over time. I love that this is basically dry even after you're done using it, and there's so many places to hang it, from the door to the handle to a little pocket that you might have on a shelf. There are so many ways that you can keep this in your shower and keep your shower nice and clean. I would absolutely recommend this. Great quality.